Hello 18! Welcome back to my channel. Talagang nakaka-proud si Philip. Malayo na ang kanyang narating, lalo na sa fashion. Ito nga. With international photographer, Carl. Kinuha siyang model ng isang photographer ng isang Vogue magazine na nakabase sa Asia at sa London. Maging parte ito sa kanyang music event na Soul4 na gaganapin sa Makati. Malapit na this month. Fashion event na may kasamang music. At isa pang good news, sold out na ang Soul4 ni Ken or Philip sa Makati. Congratulations at good luck!
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of